तो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एजुकेशन हिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन सिस्टम इन इंडिया फोर्थ सेम के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, वेदांताज इज द एंशंट नेम ऑफ ए पार्ट उपनिषद। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सेकंड, विच टैक्सेशन सिस्टम वाज यूज्ड इन वैदिक सोसाइटी? डी पार्ट बॉल। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, the ritualistic percept in hymns of Vedic referred to a part Brahman. Question number 4, with derived from Veda referred to a part knowledge. Question number 5, main objective in late Vedic system was D part caste system. Question number 6, who was the promoter of yoga philosophy in Vedic age? C part Patanjali. Question number 7, which among the following is considered to be the old Vedas? C part Rig Veda. Question number 8, which of the following are the ritualistic teachings attached to the hymn of the Vedas? A part Brahmanas. Question number 9, which was the central objectives of the Vedic education? A part liberation. Question number 10, what was the period of Vedic education? C part 1500 BC to 600 BC. Question number 11, Vedic education was given in C part Guntikulus. Question number 12, what is the meaning of Veda? A part knowledge. Question number 13, the Vedic system of education divided knowledge into segments. A part 2. Question number 14, which of the following was the model method of teaching in Vedic period? D part all of these. Question number 15, which of the following was the main aim of Vedic education? Spiritual education, character education, transmission of culture. D part all of these. Question number 16, the duration of Vedic education in years was? B part 12. Question number 17, in Vedic period the student had here the responsibility of feeding? C part himself and his guru. Question number 18, what was the medium of education in Vedic period? B part Sanskrit. Question number 19, the aim of education in Vedic system of education is personality development, character formation, preservation of culture. D part all of these. Question number 20, higher education was given during Vedic period in? D part all of the above. Question number 21, the wandering teachers during the Vedic age were called? C part Charkas. Question number 22, who was the village officer during the early Vedic period? B part Gramini. Question number 23, what were the two assemblies during the early Vedic period? Sabha Samiti, C part Samiti and Sangam. D part A and B. Answer D part A and B, Sabha and Samiti. Question number 24, during the later Vedic age, society was divided into B part 4 classes. Question number 25, what were the four Vedas? C part Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda. Question number 26, who composed the holy books called Vedas? C part Aryanas. Question number 27, during Vedic age, people were called Brahmacharya. B part. Question number 28, which philosophy developed the monetarist system in classrooms? C part Islam. Question number 29, Buddhist education period? C part monasteries. Question number 30, Buddhist education in essence had great similarities with the B part Brahminic. Question number 31, the initiation ceremony or admission into Sangh was called Pabaja. A part. Question number 32, In the Buddhist period, students were was taught to lead a life according to the codes of conduct. A part eightfold eightfold war. Question number 33. The medium of this instruction during the Buddhist period was Sepat Paul. Question number 34. Which of the following is the most significant contribution of Buddhist education? Default all of these: democratic setup, equality of opportunity, international character. Default all of these. Question number 35. At the age of dash dash years, a student accept Upsampada and become full-fledged member of the Sangh. B part 20. Question number 36. During the Buddhist period at dash dash years of age, one could go to any vihar or Sangh according to his wish. A part 8. Question number 37. The teacher during the Buddhist period was known as Upajsata. C part. Question number 38. Which of the following was the restriction for students entering in Sangh? Default all of these: non permission of parents suffering from infections or serious disease, convict of any serious moral sign. Default all of these. Question number 39. Which statement is true as per Buddha philosophy? Default only second, third, and fourth. Sorrow is the root cause of all tributes. Birth and death are causes of troubles. Troubles. Sorrow is the root cause of all troubles. Birth and death are causes of troubles. Fourth one is getting involved in worthy pursuits in the cause of all troubles. Question number 40. Sacred books of Buddhism are called Tripataka. Question number 41. Religious books of Buddhism were written in A part Bal or Prakrit. Question number 42. The meaning of Buddha is the enlightenment one. C part. Question number 43. Buddha has been described as an vision of wisdom and compassion in B part Amrakosa. Question number 44. Gautam Buddha was born in C part 563 BC. Question number 45. What was the original name of Gautam Buddha? B part Siddharth. Question number 46. Which personality says, do not care to know various theories about God and soul. Do good and be good. Be good. That will take you to whatever truth there is. B part Buddhism. Question number 47. Novitiate period in Buddhist education was of C part 12 years duration. Question number 48. Second ceremony associated with Buddhist education is called C part Pasampada ceremony. Question number 49. Temple colleges in Buddhist education period come into existence C part 8th century AD. Question number 50. Total period of education during the Buddhist period was of D part 22 years. Question number 51. The duration of Faja ceremony during the Buddhist period was of 12 years. C part. Question number 52. After the adoption of which ceremony during the Buddhist period, student was called Bhikshu? C part Upasampada ceremony. Question number 53. The period of Muslim education was from C part 10th to 18th century AD. Question number 54. Primary education during Muslim period was imparted in A part Maktaba. Question number 55. Secondary and higher education during Muslim period was impaired in B part Madrasa. Question number 56. The term Madrasa is derived from the word B part Dars. Question number 57. In Muslim education, the degree of Fazil was awarded to the student who specialized in B part Logic and Philosophy. Question number 58. In Muslim education, the degree of Abil was awarded to those who specialized in C part Literature. Question number 59. The term Madrasa derived from Arabic word Taras means A part a lecture. Question number 60. In Muslim education, the degree of Alim was awarded to those who specialized in theology. B part. Question number 61. The initiation ceremony in Muslim education was called Bismillah Khani. C part. Question number 62. Bismillah Khani or Maktab ceremony of the child in Muslim education start at the age of about 4 years, 4 months, 4 days. यूनिट सेकंड एजुकेशन इन ब्रिटिश इंडिया। इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, थॉमस बगिंगटन मैकले wrote his famous minute on February 2, 1935, a part. Question number second, who was appointed as law member in Governor General's Executive Council? B. A part, Lord Macquarie. Question number third, the foundation of modern education system in India was laid by B. part, Macquarie's minutes of 1835. Question number four, match the following. Madrasa in Calcutta, Hindu College in Bernas, Macquarie minute, Woods dispatch. इसका जो आंसर है बी पार्ट, मद्रास इन कलकत्ता 1781, हिंदू कॉलेज इन बेरनास 1791, मैक्लेरी माइन्यूट 1835, वुड्स डिस्पैच 1854. Question number 5, a single shelf of a good European liberty is worth the whole native literature of India and Arabia. Who said these words? A part, T.B. Macaulay. Question number 6, in which year Charles Wood sent the words dispatch to Governor General Lord Dalhousie? B part, 1854. Question number 7, Charles Wood served as the Chancellor of the Exchequer from the 1846 to D part, 1852. Question number 8, which of the following indicates the correct chronological order of the given commission's dispatch? B part, Wood's dispatch, Hunter Commission, Law Commission, Sadler Commission. Question number 9, which one of the following was the Magna Carta of Western Education System in India? C part, dispatch of Charles Wood, 1854. Question number 10, the Wood's dispatch was written by A part, John Stuart Mill. Question number 11, the Wood's dispatch recommended the establishment of universities in 3 presidency towns of A part, Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. Question number 12, the Wood's dispatch recommended the creation Department of Public Instruction in how many provinces? A part, 5. Question number 13, in which year the universities were established in Calcutta, Bombay, Madras? A part, 1854. Question number 14, some statements are given below. Which of the statement is correct? A. Charles Wood was the president of Board of Control of Company in 1854. Question number 15, according to the Wood's dispatch from the higher education, the chief minister of instruction would be C part, English. Question number 16, Wood's dispatch took the idea of dash for Indian universities. D part, London University. Question number 17, the Wood's education dispatch is of immense historical significance and contained dash paragraphs and deals with several questions of great educational importance. A part, 100. Question number 18, Wood's dispatch on education in dash laid the foundation of Indian education system and the establishment of universities in Calcutta, Bombay, Madras. B part, 1854. Question 19, who appointed the Hunter Education Commission? A part, Viceroy Lord Ripon. Question number 20, Hunter Commission 1882 is officially known as A part, Indian Education Commission. Question number 21, the first education commission in the history of modern India was A part, Indian Education Commission. Question number 22, according to the Indian Education Commission 1882, the medium of instruction at primary stage would be B part, mother tongue. Question number 23, Hunter Education Commission was restricted to the review of A part, primary and secondary education. Question number 24, in which year Hunter Commission was established? B part, 1882. Further scheme of basic education was proposed by D part, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 26, where the education conference was held in 22 and 23 October 1937. A part. Question number 27, where the scheme of education is probably known as basic scheme of education. A part. Question number 28. Basic scheme of education emphasizes social efficiency, ability to make a significant contribution. Both A and B. C part. Question number 29. According to the basic scheme of education, the medium of instruction should be B part, mother tongue. Question number 30. According to the Varda scheme of education, free, universal, and compulsory education should be provided for all boys and girls between the age of about 7 to 14 years. Question number 31. Who said by education I mean an all-round driving out of the best in child and man, body, mind, and spirit? B part, M.K. Gandhi. Question number 32. Sargent scheme of education was prepared by A part, Sir John Sargent. Question number 33. Sargent scheme of education 1944 is also known as A part, reported by the Central Advisory Board of Education. Question number 34. The Sargent Commission was constituted of 22 members. C part. Question number 35. The report of the Sargent Committee contained digest chapters. B part, 12 chapters. Question number 36. According to the Sargent Report 1994, pre-primary education of her child should be provided between the age of A part 3 to 6 years. Question number 37. According to the Sargent Report 1944, high school education for a years for selected children should be provided between the ages of C part 11 to 17. Question number 38. According to the Sargent Report, the medium of instruction in all high schools should be B part, mother tongue. Question number 39. According to Sargent Report, basic education for all children should be provided between the age of B part 6 to 10 junior plus basic and 11 to 13 junior basic. Question number 40. Sir John Sargent was the A part educational advisor to the Government of India. Question number 41. Education to which Commission report basic schools should be divided into two categories, junior basic schools and senior basic schools. A part, Sargent Report 1944. Question number 42. Basic scheme of education is also known as D part, all the above. Unit 3rd, Education and Post-Independent Era. Question number 1. Dr. Radhakrishna Commission in 1984 consists of number of members. C part, 10 members. The Secretary of Radhakrishna Commission 1984 was Professor K.N. Siddharth. Question number 3. Who inaugurated the Radhakrishna Commission 1984? A part, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Question 4. Radhakrishnan Commission 1984 is also known as A part, University Educational Commission. Question 5. Abdul Kalam Azad inaugurated the University Education Commission on C part, December 6, 1948. Question number 6. The University Education Commission 1948 to 1949 submitted into a report on B part, August 25, 1949. Question number 7. The first part of University Education Commission 1948 to 1949 contains digest number of chapters and digest numbers of pages. B part, 18 chapters and 7 pages. Question number 8. The report of the University Education Commission was divided into digest number of parts. B, A part 2. Question number 9. The system of periodical education was recommended by A part, Radhakrishnan Commission. Question number 10. Radhakrishnan Commission advocated increased faculties for the study of all of the above: engineering and technology, medical, agriculture. Question number 11. Establishment of rural universities was recommended by A part, Radhakrishnan Commission. Question number 12. Which method of teaching was suggested by Modular Commission? D part, all the above. Question number 13. Establishment of experiment and demonstration schools was suggested by C part, Radhakrishnan Commission. Question number 14. Maintenance of cumulative records was recommended by Modular Commission. B part. Question number 15. The report of the Secondary Education Commission is termed as A part, Bible for teacher. Question number 16. Modular Commission is also known as A part Secondary Education Commission. Question number 17. According to Modular Commission, the secondary education suffered from which it was isolated from life, narrow and alone-sided, effective methods of teaching, the all of the above. Question number 18. According to the Secondary Education Commission, secondary education should begin after A part 4 or 5 years of primary stage. Question number 19. Musular Commission was appointed by Government of India on 23rd September 1953 B part. Question number 20. Setting up of a textbook committee was suggested by Musular Commission A part. Question number 21. Setting up of multi-purpose schools was suggested by Dr. Musular A part. Question number 22. Which commission was made recommendations on guidance and counseling? A part Secondary Education Commission 1952 to 53. Question number 23. Diversification of the secondary curriculum has been suggested by B part Musular Commission. Question number 24. Which commission was the stage settler for the developing a national policy on education 1946 to 66? A part Secondary Education Commission. Question number 25. University is a place where all are engaged in making their contribution towards search for truth and thought. It developed their personality. This was emphasized by B part Kothari Commission. Question number 26. According to Kothari Commission, at university study of language should be A part compulsory. Question number 27. Indian Education Commission is popularly known as Kothari Commission A part. Question number 28. Indian Education Commission was appointed under the leader of B part Dr. O.S. Kothari. Question number 29. Kothari Commission was the dash commission in the history of education. Commission of India B part 6. Question number 30. Kothari Commission was appointed by Government of India on July 14, 1964 B part. Question number 31. The development of a proper language policy was also estimated materially in social and national integration. This was a report of A part Kothari Commission. Question 32. 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern of education was suggested by A part Indian Education System 1964 to 66. Question number 33. The report of Kothari Commission is entitled as B part Education and National Development. Question number 34. Kothari Education Commission recommended work experience community both A and B. Question number 35. Common school system for the first time in India after independence was recommended by CPAT Indian Education Commission. Question number 36. The Kothari Commission started its work on October 2nd, 1964 and submitted its report on CPAT June 26, 1966. Question number 37. Operation Blackboard was recommended by NPE 1986 A part. Question number 38. Peace setting schools were recommended by A part National Policy on Education 1986. Question number 39. Education policy on education was placed before the Indian Parliament on B part 20 April 1986. Question number 40. The concept of delinking of degrees from jobs have been recommended by C part National Policy Education. Question number 41. The National Policy on Education comprises C part 12 parts. Question number 42. The draft on the National Policy on Education was entitled B part Challenge of Education, a Policy Perspective. Question number 43. National Policy on Education was placed before the Indian Parliament on A part 20 April 1986. Question number 44. Value education was recommended by CPAT NP 1986. Question number 45. The National Policy on Education comprised 12 parts and the number of paragraphs CPAT 157. Question number 46. Program of Action POA is document that follows DPAT National Policy on Education. Unit 4. Education in Jammu and Kashmir State. Question number 1. Maharajah Pratap Singh invited Sir Henry Sharp, the Education Commissioner, Government of India, in the year DPAT 1916. Question number 2. The venue of the Sharp Committee was in CPAT both Srinagar and Jammu. Question number 3. Sharp Committee started its work on DPAT 9 April 1916. Question number 4. Sharp Committee submitted its report in CPAT 1st June 1016. Question number 5. Which of the following was a recommendation of Sharp Committee? A part 110. New schools may be established Question number 6 is which one of the following is not the recommendation of Shahrukh Committee? D part 20 primary and 4 middle schools should be opened every year instead of new middle schools. Question number 7 according to Shahrukh Committee grants should be raised to A part 10,000 a year. Question number 8 Shahrukh Committee 1916 recommended the establishment of a few colleges scholarships of Rs 10 rupees for Muslims A part. Question number 9 KG Saidin report is also known as Educational Recognition Committee A part. Question number 10 the venue of Saidin committee was in Jammu and Srinagar both A and B D part. Question number 11 the Saidin committee started its work on June 1938 C part. Question number 12 the Saidin committee submitted its report on A part September 1939. Question number 13 Government of India awarded KG Saidin the third highest civilian honor of the Padma Bhushan in C part 1967. Question number 14 Khwaja Ghulam Saidin was born on B part Panipat Haryana. Question number 15 KG Saidin was the Director of Education Jammu and Kashmir from 1938 to 1945 D part. Question number 16 with regard to girls' education, the Saidin Committee recommended dash number of primary and dash number of middle schools 20 primary and 4 middle schools A part. Question number 17 the recommendation of Education Recognition Committee was where D part all the above. Question number 18 KG Saidin deliver a convocation address at Amar Singh College Srinagar on the theme First Things First in Year C part 1942. Question number 19 Kazimi Committee Report 1959 is also known as Education Organization Committee A part. Question number 22 the work of Kazimi Committee began in A part 18 August 1950. Question number 21 the Kazimi Committee submitted its report on C part 4 December 1950. Question number 22 Kazimi Committee Report 1950 recommended that duration of primary education should be B part 7 years. Question number 23 the Kazimi Committee proposed the duration of new secondary city should be A part 4 years. Question number 42 according to Kazimi Committee report from the benefit of girls in village homes the high schools in rural areas will teach as new subject optional called A part village the village home. Question number 25 the Kazimi Committee recommended that the medium of instruction at the primary city should be A part mother tongue. Question number 26 according to Kazimi Committee medium of instruction at the secondary city should be A part regional language. Question number 27 according to Kazimi Committee 1915 the medium of instruction at university stage should be A part English. Question number 28 the Kazimi Committee 1950 recommended minimum salary of Rs 50 for a teacher A part. Question number 29 Bhagwan Sahai Committee 1972 is also known as reporter A part report of Committee on Development of Education in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 30 Bhagwan Sahai Committee 1972 submitted its report in the year 1972 B part. Question number 31 Government of J&K appointed an education committee called Bhagwan Sahai Committee in B part April 1972. Question number 32 the member of the Bhagwan Sahai Committee was where D part all the above. Question number 33 the venue of the Bhagwan Sahai Committee 1972 was in both Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 34 according to the Bhagwan Sahai Committee efforts should be made to provide university education for children in the age group of A part 6 to 14 years. Question number 35 which one of the following was not the recommendation of Bhagwan Sahai Committee? Depot construction of 100 building every year for primary education. Question number 36 according to the Bhagwan Sahai Committee higher education stage of dash years should be minimum qualification for requirement as teacher in the primary or middle school B part 15 years. Question 37 Bhagwan Sahai Committee 1972 recommended number of institutional days in a year would be not less than 150 days A part. Question number 38 according to the Bhagwan Sahai Committee 1972 university stage will cover 2 years pass course and dash years honor course for the first degree A part 3 years.